Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Okay student, today is our lecture number 6 that is based on the topic hobbies. Open your book, go to page number 102. Go to page number 102. Have you opened it? Take out your pencils also. And what you have to do, you have to underline each word if you are feeling it under difficult, okay? You have to underline the word. Put your finger on the first line. A hobby can be. Shall we start the reading? Okay. A hobby can be almost anything people like to do in their spare time. Hobbyists keep pet, raise flower, go for fishing or swimming. They collect books, butterflies, shells, coins, and stamps. Stamp collecting is a very useful hobby. Through stamps, we can know about important events, cultures, and personality of different countries. However, it is advisable to collect used stamps. Stamps made on envelope are not useful. Book reading and collecting is another useful hobby. It increases our vocabulary and knowledge. People take up hobbies because they offer enjoyment, friendship, knowledge, and leisure. Hobbies give rest to a hobbyist after a period of hard work. They provide balance between work and play. Anyone, rich or poor, young or old, can follow a hobby. Hobbies help us have a good mental and physical health. Hobbies provide variety. They help us stay away from worries. It is important to remember that we should engage ourselves in hobbies only in our spare time. Okay? Okay, student, this is the reading of your chapter number 20, hobbies. Okay, here it is chapter number 20. By mistake, I have written 18. It's the chapter number 20. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to open your notebook, open your English notebook, ready your notebook page, put date, day, classwork in the middle of the top line, then draw a proper margin line. Have you drawn it? That's great. Okay, now you have to write topic, hobbies, activity, question, answers. Okay, I have to do a lot of activities, so I write exercise. You have to write question, answers. Activity, question, 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 slash answer, answer, answer. Write your first question. The question is, Why do people take up hobbies? Why do people take up hobbies? People take up hobbies to spare their time. People take up hobbies to spare their time. Question 2 is name 3 hobbies that children usually have. Children usually have stamps, coin and shell collection hobbies. Okay? Children usually have stamps, coins and shell collection hobbies. How do hobbies help the pupil to have good health? This, your question number 3 is how do hobbies help the pupil to have good health? Hobbies give rest to the hobbyist after a hard task. Okay? Hobbies give rest to the hobbyist after a hard task. Question number 4 is what is your hobby? Now you have to tell me what is your hobby. What you want to do in your leisure time? So what you have to write my hobby is dash. Whatever your hobby is, you have to write over here, okay? Like if I am writing the answer, I will write my hobby is book reading. You're reading novels, English novels especially, okay? So whatever your hobby is, you have to write my hobby is yes, you have to write your own hobby. Now open your book, go to page number 103. Here is an exercise B. It says write true or false. Hobbies are dull and boring activity. True or false? False. Hobbies are the activities we do in our free time. True or false? True. Good. Number 3. They provide balance between work and play. True or false? True. Number 4. Anyone can have a hobby of his choice. True or false? True. Number 5. Hobbies cause us worries. Is it true or false? False. Okay. Now your next exercise on page number 103 is exercise C. It says match the word in column A with their meaning in column B. Okay, here the words are given and here meaning are given over here. Okay, what you have to do, you have to match them both. Okay, first in the column A, its word is hobby. Pastime, a free time activity. Pastime or a free time activity. Spare time means free time. Collect mean gather. Enjoyment mean fun. Provide means to offer. Variety means time to rest or to relax. Sorry, variety means of different type. What is the variety means? Of different types. Layers mean time to rest or to relax. Okay? Repeat. I am repeating it again. You have to check it out. Hobby, pastime. Spare time, free time. Collect, gather. Enjoyment, fun. Provide, to offer. Variety of different types. Layer, time to rest or to relax. Okay, this is your columns on the that is given on the book page number 103. Now moving to the next. On book page 104, make sentences of the following words. Here words are given. What you have to do? You have to make sentences of different words. Collect. I always collect the stamps of different countries. Okay? Hobby. My favorite hobby is watching cartoons. My favorite hobby is watching cartoon. Rest. Hobbies gives us rest. Hobby give us rest. Useful. Book reading is very useful hobby. Okay student, this is your word sentences. Now on page number 104 there is an book exercise. List down exercise F. It says list down different hobbies from text that a hobbyist can adopt. Number 1, keeping pet. Number 2, shell collection. Number 3, book reading. Number 4, cooking. Number 5, art and craft. Number 6, exploring life hacks. Number 7, fishing. Number 8, swimming. Number 9, stamp collection. And number 10, coin collection. Okay, students, these are the hobbies that a hobbyist can adopt. Okay, hope so you have understood it well. Take care, students. Allah Hafiz.